Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Remi. On my channel I discuss on faith, lifestyle and development. So for this lifestyle vlog, I wanted to do a video on, make puff puff with me. Puff puff is like a Nigerian treasure. Puff puff. So, for the puff puff recipe, I'm using flour. So I just put in 3 cups of flour into this bowl. I love this bowl. So I can close this up right now. Also, I'll be using sugar, some sugar. I just put the flour using this measuring cup. That's why it's like that. So I'm using flour, sugar, vanilla essence or vanilla flavor, nutmeg, cinnamon, and of course, yeast. So that's what I'm going to be using for the puff puff recipe for today. So I have added the flour, the sugar, the yeast, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg. Now I'm going to add the vanilla essence or the vanilla flavor and then mix it all up well with some warm water. That'll be the next step. So guys, I've mixed this up. Now I just need to cover it with foil and a cloth so it can rise. But yeah. It was like a war trying to mix it. I did some water and all that, but yeah, so I'm going to cover it up right now and leave it up, leave it outside for like an hour and some change or something. So covered it with foil. Now I'm going to cover it with cloth, like a towel thing. So guys, this is what it looks like an hour and 15 minutes later. I'm using like an ice cream scoop. I'm using like an ice cream scoop, to do it. So yeah, and then I pour some oil here to heat up. So guys, I'm prepping the bowl. I'm gonna use this is the bowl that I plan on using for the puff puff once it comes out. And then I'm using paper towel to like prep it just to be inside for when the testing. So guys, this is the first set of puff puffs. This is looking good, and then the rest is also looking good. But yeah, it's coming together. The puff puff is coming together, guys. Excited, very excited. Looks good too. So just turn it a little bit, but it's coming together. It looks really good. I'm excited, guys. Can you tell? Can you tell that the puff puff is, oh my gosh. Ay. Can you puff puff ever? So about to add new ones to this place. Can you puff puff ever? So the puff puff, some are still frying, and then I removed this one. So it's looking good. Like really, really, really good. I'm excited. So excited. It looks so good. I'm sure it tastes even better than it looks, I promise. So guys, I'm so excited. So this is the last batch. This is the one that I've removed. It looks really good. Look at that, it looks really good and all that. So this is the last batch. guys, so I'm all done with puff puff, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I put some on the plate, and then also some here as well, and paper towel on the bottom. But it looks so good, and it even tastes so amazing, guys. Like, woo-hoo, it's a party. I'm excited. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.